installing the device with a pouch. For certain soils, such as very fine sandy soils, we recommend using the supplied pouch to help bind the soil to the metal rings more reliably. To do this, simply take a few handfuls of the soil from the hole you have dug and place it into the pouch. Then, put the Soiltech sensor into the pouch and cover the metal rings completely, adding more soil if needed. Then, seal up the pouch, put it into the dug hole, and cover it with soil. Once the device is completely covered, please ensure to physically mark the location with a flag or lath. This will help locate the device once the canopy grows. That's it! The device will automatically show up on the Soiltech app and begin to record data. From there, you can view sensor data, create fields, rename devices, and customize alert thresholds. For any further assistance, please visit our website.